Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you why is your mail not updating on your iPhone. If your mail is not updating, then there's a few things to do. First of all, if you have a low power mode enabled, that reduces the times of automatic updates. And you can of course always manually update your mail by going to the mail app, then sliding down from the top until you see this circle loading, and then it'll update your mail. After it updates, you may still need to wait for several seconds until the new mails appear. But that should help you, although you actually may want to go to settings and go to battery. Then find low power mode and make sure that it's disabled, like in my case. Now, the next reason why your mail is not updating may be some settings problem with your mail accounts. So let's go down and go to apps. Now go to Mail app and find Mail accounts. Then select the mail account that you want to change settings for. Here, you shouldn't really need to change anything. First of all, make sure that mail is enabled and that you don't have a re-enter password button at the top. If you have this type of button at the top, then you need to just click on it and re-enter the password for your mail. Sometimes it happens, especially if you've changed the password for that mail account. Make sure that mail is enabled, as I said. Now, if the problem still occurs, go here and go to account settings, and for most mail accounts, it is best that you have it set to SMTP. So here I have a Gmail account, so it's just gonna be very easy here. It's just automatically doing everything for me because it knows the Gmail SMTP server. Now, if I were to add a different account and I was just entering something like, let's say, something random, let's see if it automatically discovers the okay, it knows the AOL. So let's see what it doesn't know. Okay, I'm gonna sign in with something local that is in my region, and probably Apple doesn't have it. Yeah, let's go further. Let's select mail account. Okay, now let's add the name. Then let's add the random password. I don't have a mail like that, so let's see if it goes further or whether I need to actually make an account for it. Yeah, okay, never mind, but here we are where we should be. And now for the incoming mail server, this is what should be made sure that is set to IMAP, not POP, because POP and also make sure that it actually is set on all the devices that have access to that mail, right? Because if one of the devices has your mail server set to POP, then that device is going to download the mail, the email, right? The message, and then it'll just disappear from the server. So every device should have in the settings of that mail account, the incoming mail server should be set to IMAP, not POP. And yeah, that's what I wanted to show you here. It's just gonna be, in the advanced settings, that like there may be some advanced settings or something like that. You can see incoming settings, and I have like IMAP, so I know it's fine. But make sure that sometimes if that mail account you're trying to use is like very just niche, and Apple can't just automatically fill the settings for you. You need to fill it manually, and then you can manually just search the Google to check what's the address of the IMAP server of that mail account that you're trying to use, first of all. And second of all, what's the port? The port is also important that you enter it correctly, so you can also check it for the mail account that you're using, either on the web or if it's provided by, I don't know, your job. Then probably you can ask someone from your work for those details. Now here, if you go to fetch new data, also within accounts within mail, fetch new data, you should make sure that it's set to automatically, and then it should work properly. And now if nothing of it helped, make sure to restart your iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons, then sliding this slider to power off your phone. Wait for 30 seconds. After that, start pressing and holding on the power button to turn the phone back on. Now the last thing is to make sure to go to General, then go to Software Update, and if there's any update available, try installing it. It may fix some issues. And if the problem still occurs, go to Apps, go to Mail again, and now go to Mail Accounts, select the account that the problem occurs for, and delete the account, then re-sign into it by clicking on Add Account. And I believe that should help you. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.